If you're tired of scrubbing burnt sauce off the bottom of a pot every single night, or dealing with cookware that starts peeling after just a few months, this might honestly be the kind of kitchen upgrade that makes everyday cooking less annoying. Because this little stock pot surprised me more than I expected. Today, we're checking out the SENSARTE Nonstick Stock Pot with lid, and this is designed for people who cook regularly but don't necessarily want to spend premium cookware money just to make soup, pasta, sauces, or simple one-pot meals. It's a 4.5-quart nonstick stock pot that focuses on healthier cooking, easy cleanup, and compatibility with basically every stovetop, including induction. And honestly, for the price, there are a few things here that stand out immediately. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is that it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap the way a lot of budget nonstick cookware does. The body has a solid weight to it without being overly heavy, and the finish gives it a clean, modern look that fits into almost any kitchen setup. The black exterior combined with a wood grain-style handle actually looks nicer than I expected from something in this price range. The handle stays comfortable in the hand, even when the pot is full, and that matters more than people think when you're carrying hot soup or draining pasta. The glass lid is another thing I ended up appreciating during testing because you can easily keep an eye on food without constantly lifting the lid and losing heat. Small detail, but in real cooking it helps. The pot also heats pretty evenly thanks to the thicker base, so you don't get those annoying hot spots where one side burns while the other side barely cooks. Now, the biggest selling point here is definitely the non-stick coating. A lot of cookware claims to be non-stick, but this one actually performs well during normal daily cooking. Eggs slide around easily, sauces don't cling to the sides, and cleanup is honestly one of the best parts of using it. Most of the time, a quick rinse or wipe with a sponge is enough. If you cook often, that convenience adds up fast. What I also like is that it's designed around healthier cooking. Since food releases pretty easily, you don't need to drown everything in oil or butter just to stop sticking. For people trying to cook lighter meals or just reduce mess in the kitchen, that's a practical benefit you'll notice immediately. In terms of everyday performance, this pot fits naturally into a normal routine. It works well for soups, ramen, pasta, chili, oatmeal, sauces, and even quick stews. The size is especially good for small families, couples, or meal prep without taking up too much space on the stove. It also heats fairly quickly, so you're not standing around forever waiting for water to boil. That said, it's not perfect. If you're someone cooking huge portions regularly or feeds a big family, the 4.5-quart size might feel limiting. And while the coating feels durable, this is still non-stick cookware, so you'll want to avoid metal utensils if you want it to last as long as possible. Hand washing is also recommended, even though cleaning it is easy anyway. Compared to other cookware in this range from brands like Tefal or Casserole, the SENSARTE pot feels a little more refined in overall finish and comfort. Some cheaper pots heat unevenly or lose their coating quickly, but this one feels more balanced between affordability, durability, and daily usability. It's not trying to compete with ultra-premium stainless steel cookware, but for practical everyday cooking, it honestly delivers solid value. So overall, I think the SENSARTE Nonstick Stock Pot makes the most sense for people who want simple, low-maintenance cookware that genuinely makes cooking and cleanup easier. If you cook often, want healthier meals with less oil, and you're tired of scrubbing pans every night, this is probably going to make your kitchen routine a lot smoother. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is down in the description. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.